Alright guys, here we are at cabin 9197 on the Carnival Freedom. This is a 6J category room. Ocean view. Here we go. You first walk in. You've got 4 closets. We have these double doors that open up. You can always ask your cabin steward for more hangers. Then you have 4 drawers. Very big drawers. Your third closet, or fourth. Shelves, your safe, more shelves. We have our bathroom, typical Carnival bathroom. You got your shower. Plenty of shelves on each side, your pull-out vanity mirror. 3 more shelves on the other side. Walking towards the back of the cabin. A huge couch. Now this couch is bigger than most ocean view rooms. It almost, I'm sure it pulls out into a double bed. Another table. You have your fridge. I always recommend propping your fridge door up with a towel because it gets colder a lot quicker. You got 4 more drawers here. Should be, yep, your hair dryer, and 3 more drawers. Your TV can be connecting staterooms. We have our nightstand with another door for storage. Light switch that shuts off all the lights. A great connecting king size bed. Another nightstand and switch. But in this room, you also have not 1, but 2 chairs. And a coffee table. Now we're all the way at the front of the ship, so this is what we wanted. Open up these curtains. This is a 10-foot slanted window, and there it is, the front of the ship. Look at these views. We're in Miami. There's Key Biscayne Boulevard. Just the views are amazing. Sunrise, sunset, every time you come into port. Here's your view. Thanks for watching.